The 50-30-20 budget is a budget where you split your money into 3 groups, which is based on the needs, wants, savings. Your needs are everything that is necessary for you to live, like your housing, mortgage or rent, utility bills, insurance, interest on debt, and groceries. Your wants are everything that you could do without but you really want to do, like dining out, paying for entertainment or events. Here a lot of us have costs for streaming and video games, could also be that you would like to travel more and see the world. Your savings are everything that will be used toward making your life wealthier in the future. This is debt repayment to lower your current debt and make you free up more money as you will have to pay less in interest. What you put aside for an emergency fund and your retirement savings. When you have gotten your debt and emergency fund under control, it will also be here that you start to invest some of your money each month. The 50-30-20 budget tries to give you a bit of everything, where you also have money left each month for having fun and that you don't have to live frugally. The tough part is that many of us probably already have a bigger percentage in needs than 50% of our monthly income. At this point it will need a lot of work to bring this down to 50%, but if this is the kind of budget you want to follow, then it is definitely possible, no matter how high your current percentage in needs are. The 50-30-20 budget is for those who would like to have a big picture of their financial situation, as it doesn't have a lot of small brackets. Pros of the budget is that it is embracing a balanced lifestyle with room for a bit of everything, as it is easy to get an overview of your expenses, as it all needs to add up to 100%. Cons of the budget is that it can be tough to distinguish between what is a needs and what is a want. There is not always a clear definition and there is some gray area in between them. As your needs only focus on the interest of your debt, then you might be in debt longer than necessary and over the long run to have to pay more than needed for it. My name is Daniel and I'm here to help people with personal finance, so if you're interested in more topics like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. That way you will be notified when we release a new video which might help you on your journey.